As a home builder, you want a home buyer to be interested in your website and keep referring to it. An interactive floor planner can do this by helping potential buyers visualize their dream home as they make changes to its floor plan. XS CAD's Floor Planner offers home builders a tool to engage home buyers with interactive floor plans. Users can select options, place, rotate, and set furniture dimensions, flip floor plans, add notes, save and email. In addition, XS CAD's interactive floor planner is cost-effective, offers full-time project assistance, and can separately offer you attractive exterior rendered images featured in the floor planner interface. What makes us a reliable partner? For over 2 decades, our team of skilled architectural drafters, 3D modelers, and 3D visualizers have been drafting, rendering, and modeling homes, delivering high-quality architectural drawings and rendered images. To encourage sales, attract, engage, and interact with your home buyers using our interactive floor plan solutions, contact us. To stay updated with our videos, please like, share, and express your thoughts in our comments section. For future notification, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.